Hey, folks, I want to show you messages from my subscriber. Here they are, in front of you. This trader decided to act boldly and implemented a modern neural network into his strategy. He went in with $500 and extracted a really big amount of money from it. The signals from the bot did their job. You can do it too. Get the robot called FixProfit right now, for free. The link is in the description. Hurry up, because in a month you will only be able to pick up this valuable tool for a fee. Me and my team are working hard to present you cool, motivating, informative and educational content. So we will be very happy if you, as a thank you for your hard work, will put a like on this video and write comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. And now here we go. I received a signal from the artificial intelligence to enter the first trade. Buy. The bot showed me in the detailed report that 4 indicators are burning green and speak about the bullish potential that is building up. I entered the market on a 5-minute time frame, the British pound and the Japanese yen. The data update frequency in the robot is 1 minute. This means that you can update market information right during the trading process to make adjustments on time. I can see from the historical data that the bulls and bears have fought hard in the past hour and at many points have been evenly matched. Yes, a long flat. But what's next? I think that we are waiting for a small decline, after which the buyers will bounce from the support zone and the price will be able to rise a bit. I think that the bot took into account all the factors that can affect or prevent it and made the most rational conclusion. By the way, together with the free bot on the link in the description, you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50, you will get $50 bonus on top of it. Or, for example, if you deposit $300, then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Also, you will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analysis from me. Let's get something straight right away. If you're trading without money management, you're not trading. You're just waiting to blow your account. It's like jumping out of a plane with a backpack instead of a parachute and hoping gravity takes it easy on you. The most important rule you'll ever hear? Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Let's put that into real numbers. Got $100 in your account? You trade $1, aiming for 80 cents profit per win. Got $1,000? You trade $10, and each win brings $8. With $10,000, you're looking at $100 per trade, earning $80 per winning move. Same system, same setup, but the more you fund your account, the more powerful each win becomes, without ever increasing your risk. That's the formula. That's how real traders grow. So yes, if you're serious, fund your account with intention. Treat this like a business, not a game. Because when you treat it like a business, that's when the profits start feeling like a paycheck, not a lottery ticket. Now, let's get to the real reason you're here. You've been losing. Maybe your strategy feels solid, but your account balance says otherwise. Maybe you're watching other traders post results, wondering what you're doing wrong. Maybe, deep down, you're questioning whether you're even cut out for this. Good. That means you care. That means you're in the middle of your breakthrough. You just don't see it yet. In the meantime, my bot has not let me down. I got my first plus. Yes, the bulls are on the move and have raised the price big time. Now I will make one more trade to consolidate the success. I have increased the speed of price movement to save your time and for easy viewing, friends. I will now work with the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. My investment is 1% out of pocket. Bot is a tool with which you will really start earning. Profitability of its signals on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. So, 5-minute time frame. I received a forecast, active buying. 7 indicators in the report from artificial intelligence are telling me emphatically that the buyers are serious on this time frame. I can see from the price movement chart that the bulls have improved a bit in the last minutes, before that the sellers acted more confidently, but the overall situation was close to a sideways movement for the long term. But there is one nuance: the bulls have gained momentum and intend to break the global resistance zone, which will be the beginning for a new powerful impulse. I think it may happen. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. You ever watch Rocky Balboa? Not the first one, the 6th one, when Rocky's way past his prime. He says something legendary. It's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. That line applies to trading more than anything. Because the truth is, the market will hit you. It'll humble you. It'll test your patience, your confidence, your ego. And most people? They fold. But the ones who keep moving forward? They're the ones who make it. Think about Michael Jordan. He didn't make his high school varsity team. He was told he wasn't good enough. Imagine if he quit right there. Or Steve Jobs, who got fired from his own company, the one he created. Instead of giving up, he came back stronger and changed the world. Or even Taylor Swift, who was rejected by major labels early in her career, and now sells out stadiums worldwide. What's the common thread? Resilience. They didn't wait for perfect conditions. They created success out of failure. And that's exactly what you have to do as a trader. Trading isn't about hitting a home run every session. It's about building the discipline to show up, day after day, win or lose, and execute with focus. The best traders don't win every trade. They just know how to lose without breaking down. They've trained their mindset to handle red days, missed entries, choppy markets, and they keep their cool. Because they've learned one of the most important truths. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. So if you're stuck right now, if you feel like nothing's working, this is the part of the movie where the main character is on the ropes. This is the scene before the comeback. But the thing is, you're writing that scene right now. You get to decide how it ends. And I just closed a trade in the plus column. Yes, 2 precise recommendations from the robot did their job. $1,345 came to my account for a total of 2 trades. Friends, get FixProfit from the link in the description for free, subscribe and click on the bell. And remember, more to come.